Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Twitch account to your YouTube channel. So the first step, you simply need to search for the Twitch. Click on that. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left. From here, you need to click on my channel. Once you are here, you simply need to click on edit profile. And here you can see any social links. Click on that. Click on add social link. From here, you need to add YouTube channel. Here you need to add your YouTube channel link. I'm going to add youtube.com for example. Then you need to click on save, and here you can see that now YouTube is connected with my Twitch. So here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.